Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, CS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Usim Thembile.
Tipo mnandi.
Angimnandi
Mnandi Tipo. Yeah, Tipo igqoke the ibrand enkulu Tipo bengqoke ifecha ngokikapa 1967
when he was formed.
Yeah. Isuke Italy Tipo. Yayazi Italy ngendawo.
Yeah, is a quality.
Yeah.
It's bigger than Adidas.
Yeah. No Tipo before ndingene egemini.
It's bigger than Adidas. Is it bigger than Adidas?
From Italy. It's from Italy.
Bigger than Adidas.
From Italy.
Is it bigger than Adidas?
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Okay, yimi mabhakani. I-Chiefs yathi qala u-introducer uzoyisearch eLondon yaba sold out.
Okay, man, pendula umbuzo. Is it bigger than Adidas?
It's not big, but
No,
it's an influence.
And the Adidas angithi uyazisponsor ne FIFA World Cup angithi.
Thathi ijezi phansi sibeke eLondon.
So when I
uzoyisearch i-Chiefs sold within a week eLondon.
Sold out.
Now Google.
This is he.
Google.
Out there.
Sold out 1967 le brand from Italy. From maskene kemini. Maskene kemini. No and Stipo ndifuna uthetha namakhosi. We need ba ngale ndaba ye coaches ne players efuneka signiwe. Njengoba izophela isizini koyizoba i-transfer window sike siye kuba emotional siface i-reality but we are Kaizer Chiefs, we can't get so and so. We need to understand the situation yethu, i-team yethu ayina good relationship with other teams. Besifuna uPasadena ngo-10 million asabafumana safuna ubani. We need ba see even the type of a coach esifunayo ngoku dayiva le hype yo Junior Khanye because abantu ke uyaba hype Junior Khanye yo Pitso Mosimane no Bill. Kuyami opinions Tipo, let's appreciate la majita akhoyo, but ke the only problem besiyenzile who ends co-coaching. So we need to sit down nabo whether start to get cards abe head of development sithathe Steve Barker, someone like Ofanano Rivero, a humble coach, someone who was sebenza with average players, azosebenza with these players because omnye nifuna umnqomo uThera Maliwa ufika kwakhe i-head of scout yethu isuka ku-Sundowns 7 years ku-Sundowns ufika kwakhe kwakho i-difference. You see the type of players ezi-scoutayo but another downfall le season i-coaches zethu bezingade zifumane the best positions for i-players. Umzekelo suspended the whole season uLilepho simdlalisa wrong. Even now I still believe uShabalala simdlala wrong. That's why sometimes the strikers zethu you found uMayo ingathi abakwazi ukudlala but asikwazi ubafumana ngepass. Even today bendi confused ukuthi bedlala 4-3-3 4-2-3-1 because you found uShabalala umbone wing umfando eyojoina purpose Shabalala iplayer okwazi udlala behind the defense ekwazi ulanda abantu ayingomuntu okhupha abantu ngepass because you sometimes uMabhoba afumana ibhola akunamuntu ozosupport ibhola because uShabalala is hiding. uMabhoba igcina isidala ibhola zipanic ifence zicimbe uMabhoba ugcina ibhola kanti uMabhoba akangomathi akazoyikhahlela noba akaboni umuntu and ke also Stipo like into endifuna ingcoma kwi players the Chiefs now Acosta i-players they are playing as a team. If we lose ibhola ziyadlala zonke ziyadefend. I-Chiefs mayidlala noNdlovu noma Bhowe esoswini ibonakala i-decent even i-defense yethu ayikho shake iba ngathi omsimango zi-player noko yabo because you playing ngabantu aba-willing ukusebenza bebenibethile ke kule interview yakho kwi-comments bacimba andibafuna uTito noMbule even uTito Mbule uNqobo oZungu neza player oManqoba Shakes Ngwenya abantu bechampagne but I don't like player lace because uNdlovu noMabhowa they are working.
Yeah.
If you can check iPirates ka idlala ngoNamtajela nombatha.
Yeah.
Kanye uMbatha noMakhawula you can check isusa. If I double pivot uzayidlala ngabantu abalaziyo.
Yeah.
Awuzowina games.
Ngiyathola.
If udlala ngama players are willing ukudlala, even noba wakho good, but if are willing ukufightela ijezi. Yeah. So we need apha South Africa siphume kulento yama player alaziyo. Nakasifuna ku transfer market. Sikhangela ama player that alaziyo. Asikhangela abantu that aba willing ukudlala. If we are looking in number 6 we Chiefs lamjita we Arrows. Ukesi lamjita. Yeah, I players nje. Yeah, I players nje is willing ukusebenza. So I Chiefs I players azo now is willing ukusebenza. And I think ne coaches ya understand the weakness the players. Umzela uBrad Cross uyimprove ngosayeke uba up and down. Now is udlala ama basics but uPitso wayibuza lento Stipho who's choosing the man of the match. Because sometimes the man of the match ibuye trap ilento ibuye ixoxise ke at the end of the season xa kuthethwa nge defender of the season because kuzawubuya kuthi akha ngabe na man because uBrad Cross akabikho conversation because akanikwa man of the match. Indaba ye man of the match ibuye ibe problem eSouth Africa because ile iye isibethe at the end of the season. Yeah, na ku play of the season because umzela uCM wePirates in my own opinion uya deserve by defender of the season. But man of the match ayimniki spotlight kuba bekla conversation ye defender of the season. So indaba ye man of the match ibuye ibe problem because uBrad Cross uyimprovile Steve uyimprove kakhulu. So amakhosi ndiyavuyela also before ndivale Steve uTim Sukazi I'm very worried ngombetha but before this game ekhe najonga stats 5 games khange ndimbethe the last 5 matches kasimbethe uTim Sukazi uface nento zobaka sign as players if the only problem ke with ETS Galaxy dropile now players azo zicinga cup final yabo hairstyle cup final yabo it's a wrong mentality for South Africa lento bibethe iStellenbosch because iStellenbosch sezodlala cup finals sa dropa ku league league is very important more than a cup. I need ES teams ncinci ngokuziphakamise because zinga
Ngiyakubamba. Thank you. Sure. Asibonge kakhulu.